Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I just wanted to do a review of this diffuser that we bought from Amazon, just to show you what it's like. We're going to unbox and then just kind of show you how to set it up, how to use it, why we bought it, and so forth. So as I've said, this is from Amazon. I believe we bought it on Prime. It's from the brand Homasy. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that properly. And it's described as an aromatherapy set. I'm just going to show you the boxes. It gives a bit of some detail. Here it kind of shows you what it's like and a bit of some information there. And then if I just flip it to the side, it's got some useful information that you might want to know. So it talks about the unique and compact design. So it's got like this wood effect outside that gives it this natural kind of feel. It's compact and portable, so it isn't really heavy. Just from holding the box, it's not too heavy, and it is also easy, I think, to put together, which makes it a good thing, I guess. So large capacity, so it's a 500ml sort of tank, and it runs up to 15 hours of continuous output, which is good, and automatic power off, which I think will be quite essential. Another interesting thing here is it talks about it being super quiet, which is good. Some diffusers or humidifiers do come with a bit of sound, so that will be good. And then adjustable LED lights. So if you do want some effects, you can have, it looks like you can switch from 2 modes, and you have a total of 14 different colors, which can change or stay steady, I guess. And then time setting, you've got 4 time setting modes, as written here. So yeah, so that's it here. And it comes with, on top of that, it comes with 6 essential oils. So you'll see there they are. So we're just going to unbox it and see what's inside. So one thing I will mention as well, on Amazon it was going for about £30. So here is the manual. So it comes with a manual, and then there are the 6 essential oils in there, 100% natural, so that's really good. Packaged quite nice and tight, which is great. We'll just open this as well and see what's inside. Okay, so it comes with a little pamphlet, as you can see, and I guess it talks about each of the different essential oils and what they can be used for, which is quite useful, I would say. There you are. And then inside you've got the 6 essential oils. So you've got there orange, then peppermint, then I think this one is tea tree, lavender, eucalyptus, and this last one is lemongrass. There you are. And then you've got the cable. So it's a 3-pin square plug. And then you've got the cable itself. So we're just going to undo this. It looks like it's quite a long cable, which is great. Yep, so it looks like it's quite long, which is quite useful. And then you've got a free warranty card for 2 years, which is really good. So you just need to activate that, it looks. Okay. And then inside is the humidifier itself. So as you can see, it's got that wood effect. sorry, and then this is the diffuser. Sorry if I keep saying humidifier, but there you are. So that's the diffuser. And there's the front. So there's the brand Homasy, and then you've got 2 buttons here, light and mist, and then you've got these options there as well. And then underneath you've got some information there as well, and yeah, and it's also got these 3 sort of rubbers here so that it just doesn't slide everywhere. Okay, so based on the user guide, oh, and then inside you've got the little measuring cup. I was wondering where that was. So there's the measuring cup, which is helpful. The first step is removing the cover, which we have just done, and then the next is to connect the power with the AC adapter. So we're just going to plug it in like so, and then we are going to put it in the side here. So as you can see, we've just put it in here. There you go. And so that's where you plug it in, like that. Okay, and then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to use the measuring cup to add water into the water tank, and we should not exceed the maximum line. So the maximum line, you will see it's here where there's this little groove here. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to fill it with water. So that's 1 cup. And that's another one. And I think we'll just need 1 more. And that's it. So I think literally 3 cups of these will get you exactly to that groove area. So once you've done that, you then select any essential oil that you want, and then you add several drops vertically. So we've taken lavender, and then just a couple of drops. There we go. And then we place the cover and rotate it so that it's in the desired position. So just to close it. So we're going to put it on top. And then twist it. We're just going to line it so that the logo is in line with the buttons, because I don't think it's going to click or lock into position. And then after that, we press the mist and light button to turn it on. So as you can see here, we're just going to click on the light. As you can see, that's what it looks like. So it lights up and it seems to be changing colors. And then it says click on light. And then that starts. So as you can see, there's the mist. And hopefully you can kind of hear the sound. It's very, very light. And as you can see, the colors keep changing. And so there you have it. That's your diffuser aromatherapy set. If you do want to buy yourself one, I'll leave a link in the description. And until next time, bye.